McDonald from Engage One-to-One, and we're going to discuss how to get Facebook pokes sent to your phone. First, you're going to want to make sure that your notifications are sending to your phone. So you're going to want to click on the arrow in the upper right of your screen, go down and you will see Account Settings, click there. On the left-hand side, you'll see Notifications in the toolbar that runs vertically down the screen. Once you're in Notifications, the second bucket down says All Notifications, and the first item in the bucket says Facebook. To the right of that is Edit. You'll click there, and then there will be a box open that says Pokes You. Make sure you click on that box and then scroll down a little and hit Save Changes. This way you know you're getting notified if somebody pokes you. To get them sent to your mobile device or your iPhone, you're going to want to go back into Account Settings if you've left by clicking the arrow in the upper right that has a drop-down menu. Click Account Settings. On the left-hand side, you will see My Mobile Device, or a little icon that looks like a phone. In there, it will say Send Notifications to My Phone. You'll want to check the box that's marked, and then you'll have to follow step by step to activate your phone according to your number and your mobile carrier. And then hit Save Changes, and you're all done. I'm Jennifer McDonald, and that's how to get Facebook pokes sent to your phone.